Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Art of Psychology. Today, I am going to talk about phobia, what they are, different type, common examples, their symptom, causes, treatment. By the end of this video, I hopefully you get a better understanding of the phobia and how they can affect on the people live. So let's start. First one is what is phobia? Phobia is an intense and irrational fear of a specific object, situations or activity. The keyword here is the irrational. While most of the fear are natural and protect us from danger, phobia are extreme and out of proportions to our actual risk. For example, someone with a phobia of a spider may be a panic at even the sight of the tiny harmless spider, even though it posed to be a non-real or the danger. Next one is the type of the phobia. Phobia are generally divided into a three main category. First, specific phobia, fear of a particular object or a situation. Second, social phobia, a social anxiety disorder, fear of being judged or embarrassed in social setting. Third, agoraphobia, fear of a place or a situation where escape might be a difficult. Understanding these type help us to see phobia effect and peoples differently. Now next one is the specific phobia. Specific phobia are the most common. These involve a fear of a certain thing like spider, snake, flying or a height. Imagine a person who avoid the elevator at all cost because of the claustrophobia or someone who refuse to get on aeroplanes due to fear of flying. These phobia can limit everyday life activity in railway. So next one is the social phobia. Social phobia, which is called a social anxiety disorder, is more about peoples than object. Those with these conditions feel overwhelming or fear when speaking in public, meeting with stranger, or even eating in front of others. It is not just shyness, it is a deep fear of being judged, embarrassed, or humiliated, and it can be prevent someone from reaching their full potential socially or the personally. Next one is the agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is a fear of being placed where escape might be a difficult, such as crowded area, open space, in public transport. People with a severe agoraphobia sometimes avoid leaving their homes altogether. This can be very isolated, but with the right of support, treatment, and improvement is possible. There are some common examples that are well known in phobia. First one is the acrenophobia, fear of the spider, acrophobia, fear of the height, claustrophobia, fear of the confined space, aerophobia, fear of the flying, and trypanophobia, fear of the injections. These are the just a few examples, but there are literally hundreds of the phobias recognized by psychologists. So now we are discussing about the symptoms of the phobia. Phobia trigger both emotionally and physically symptoms. A person may feel intense or a fear or a panic, sweat heavily, trembles, having a race, heartbeat, or even the experience shortness of the breath. Many people also show avoidance behavior, meaning they go out of their way to avoid the fear of the object or the situations, and even it limit their everyday life. So now we are discussing about the causes of the phobia. Phobia do not come from nowhere. This can be helped due to genetic factors, brain chemistry, or the life experience. For example, if a child have a traumatic encounter with a dog, they might be develop a cynophobia, means a fear of the dog. Sometimes phobia run in family, suggested a genetic link. In other cases, it might simply be learned behavior, seeing others react with a fear and can be a fearful too. Now we are discussing the most important part of these slides are the treatment of the phobia. The good news is that phobia are treatable. Common approaches include cognitive behavior therapy like CBT, which help to change the negative thoughts pattern, exposure therapy where the people are gradually introduced to their fear in a safe way, and some medications to manage anxiety, relaxation technique such as deep breathing and mindfulness, and can be helpful people to manage their reactions too. So let's conclude all of these video. To conclude, the phobia are the more than the just ordinary fear. They can interfere with daily life and causes the real distress too. But with the proper understanding, support, and the treatment provided by from their family, psychologist, and many other people like that in that live in their society, can overcome their phobia and live more freely. I hopefully you get a better understanding about phobia. Thank you for listening. This slides and this video can helpful about phobia and their type in a little bit. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.